One of the biggest challenges in crypto is staying glued to the charts. But with crypto code, you don't have to. The Waybot Toolkit is an automated trading robot that scans the market for you and places trades automatically. This means you can still participate in crypto trading without spending hours at your computer. If you like trading manually, you also get premium trade alerts, signals sent to you so you can copy what the pros are doing in real time. And to build your success, there's the Crypto Code University, which includes 92 lessons. You'll learn the basics, understand Bitcoin cycles, and dive into advanced trading strategies. On top of that, you'll be a part of a private mastermind group with access to Joel and Adam's portfolios and past bootcamp recordings. That's how you make money with crypto code. Automate your trades, follow expert alerts, and learn at your own pace. If this sounds like what you need, click the link in my description and join Crypto Code today.